Are you facing a SIM not supported issue on your iPhone? No need to worry. Follow these easy and advanced troubleshooting processes to fix SIM not supported problem on the iOS devices. So let's begin. Method 1. Reset your iPhone. Give a simple reset on the iPhone. Often only giving a simple reset on the iPhone can solve minor software bugs and glitches. After that, check your issue. Method 2. Update iOS. Open Settings. Scroll down. Tap General. Tap Software Update. Now if you find any pending update, please update your iPhone. Then check your issue. Method 3. Reset network settings. First, inject your SIM card. Then open Settings. Scroll down. Tap General. Scroll down. Tap Transfer Reset iPhone. Tap Reset. Reset network settings. But make sure this will reset all of your network settings and will back to default values. Tap Reset network settings again. Then insert your SIM card again. Then check your issue. After doing all these processes, hope your SIM card not supported issue will be solved. Now if you still have anything to ask, please ask me in the comment section. Thanks for watching.